Hello everyone, I'm Robin Xu. Welcome to my channel. In last lesson, we learned the event handler and init, which is called once by MT5 terminal when EA is loaded into a chat or other initializations, such as trade time frame change. Today, let's move on to next lesson to learn the built-in event handler and tick, which is the most important and frequently used one. It is the core place where your trading logic really run. Okay, we open IDE first and build our new file. Give it your name and tick. Okay, you can see the antique handle here. There is your trading logic runs, really runs. It is core place. You put your code here. The antique will be called for every new tick arriving for symbol the EA is attached to. A tick means any change for byte or ask. Let me show you what is a tick. You can see the marked watch here. This is a tick. You can see this is a BTC, USD, or Bitcoin. You can see. You can see two lines, one red line, one blue line. The red line is ask price. The blue one is buy price. Each time the price updated, broker sends the new tick. MT5 received it. Your EA and tick runs instantly, and tick function runs very frequently, can be multiple times per second. It is triggered for every new tick per sample chart. Okay, let's return the back here. So here is your trading logic. You put your trading logic here normally. Later, I'll give you an example. For example, the BTC coin, when EA is attached into BTC USD chart, only BTC USD tick will trigger the EA if no important if no movement and tick won't run. So I'll give you an example. What is the ask and the bid price for each tick? We'll print it out. Double ask equal small the info down symbol ask the first one. You choose it. Semicolon. Same double right equal symbol info double. Use the same function to get the right symbol. So here is different symbol right. Okay, semicolon. Right. We are printing. So here BTC USD curve ask hash is and the right hash is ask then add okay semicolon compile okay no errors no warnings so we'll test and empty file terminal we found the EA we just code so OnTick here and load onto the chart BTC chart so we just check what is printed out you can see here BTC created ask price is so it changes frequently according to the ticker date. So you can see ticker changing very frequently. Importing the nodes very critical because the OnTick runs very frequently avoid too complicated computation. Otherwise, the year becomes slow or miss trading opportunity. Even the worst time, the year get stuck. If if you trade higher time frame, such as 1 hour, 4 hour, or 1 day, no need to run too frequently. We may control the execution frequency. For example, so which but code some example. So date time we control last and and so we put it such as for example we treat the 1 hour time frame with period H1 here. So according to this method, we can control the execution frequency, routine, so date, time frame, query time equal time query. We use this function to get the query time. So we compare the last time and the query time. If last time is not equal query time, so here um, um your tree the logic once just once, no more. So we adjust the last time equal query time. So that's the well compare here, no errors, no voice. So according to this method, we can control the execution frequency. So last I sorted out the learning materials into PDF file. If you want, you can give me a message. I will send you for free like this. Already sorted out PDF. So here, so any important point I put here, so you can refer to. Thank you. Hope you treated well.